In this fourth unit, we are looking at the European Law Regulation EC 852/2004. This law was devised in 2004 and all food businesses in European Union countries are required to follow the Regulation EC 852/2004 of the European Parliament. The regulation is in place to ensure the control of the registration of all food businesses with their local council, any food safety management system, for example HACCP, which is Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points, any premises that food is handled, the equipment the food handler uses, adhere to food safety regulations and ensure records are kept up to date, and last but not least, the training in place for food handlers. You can find out more information on the Food Standards Agency website www.food.gov.uk.